Røde has allowed this for a month or so, but now it's finally arrived. This is a Røde VideoMic NTG. As the name suggested, this is a microphone. Other than that, VideoMic means it's great for your DSLR mirrorless camera, while NTG is the name of their professional shotgun microphone. Apparently, it has the same annular tube technology as the professional NTG5 shotgun mic, gives you natural uncolored sound. This will sound better than the 2-year-old VideoMic Pro Plus, right? Look at that! How about a direct compare between the two mics? Let me say something completely random to test the mic, okay? Here we go. This video is sponsored by Surfshark. For a limited time, get 83% off for 2 years plan plus 3 months for free for all your families and devices, including computers and mobile phone. Well, I have actually started using VPN for a few months. At first, I was just want to watch Big Bang Theory. At that time, not available in Hong Kong, Netflix. Also, I don't feel safe using cafe Wi-Fi and especially hotel Wi-Fi because you don't have other choices in the hotel. Some ISP even sell your browsing history even if you have safe browsing mode on. So check out the link in the description and use the code LOCKCHEUNG or go to this address surfshark.deal/LOCKCHEUNG. Okay, it's not completely random, but the mic. It is true, I think it sounds really good for a shotgun mic. While the new NTG sound more uncolored sound. Transparent? Testing. The old Pro Plus sound a little bit too bassy. Well. Now to test how it works in a noisy environment, I came to a wet market. Now this is the new VideoMic NTG. Compared to this is the old VideoMic Pro Plus. This is how it sounds like inside a wet market in Hong Kong. And then now back to the NTG, the new NTG, this is how it sounds like. This is an old VideoMic Pro Plus, again, this is how it sounds like. Now it's even more obvious when it's outdoor. Now 2 years ago when I tested the Pro Plus, I feel that the Pro Plus is more clear than the old Pro. Now I feel exactly the same, the NTG is even better than the Pro Plus. Now after we have established it sounds better, uncolored sound. Let's look at the hardware, the mic itself. It looks completely different than other video mic before it. Where did they get the idea from? Oh no, they didn't! Alright, let's put this aside for a while first. Let's look at the features and design of the mic itself first, shall we? Before, most of the video mic got this design, which is the mic tube on top and then all the electronic and battery at the bottom. But now they changed the design that everything is on one tube. Now the whole thing is that if you take off everything, it is just a metal tube, which is just like many other professional shotgun mic design. Let's make it compatible with other already existing shotgun mic accessory like mount, dead cat. I think I've said exactly the same thing before. You can use other professional accessory on this. Now the VideoMic Pro Plus have a removable battery and you can use AA battery with this. Now this has built-in battery, it charged with the USB-C port here. One good thing is that you can actually use a USB-C charger to charge it with power deliver. Can't say the same for many with a USB-C port, but you can't charge it with a USB-C charger. One thing people hate about the last VideoMic Pro Plus is that the wire coming out from the pack, even the older VideoMic Pro wire coming out from the side. Now it's back to the side. Finally, this whole base can be shifted forward or backward. Alright, just a sliding plate. It got a stepless volume dial here. Feels really smooth and it's really easy to change volume on the go. Okay, well, I don't know what to say. Interestingly, this wire is not completely soft. It's a little bit stiff. So when you plug it into your camera, it can retain its shape rather than making noise swinging around. There's also something different with the audio cable from the new mic is that if you look at here, the old one comes with a normal TRS plug, but the new one is a TRRS plug. This, you can find it in most usual headphone plug, and this, you can find it on all those mobile phone headphones. So when you use it on your phone, you just have to plug this in, just like that, and then it will detect that this is now connected to a smartphone, so it will use different wiring for the mic to work. So you don't have to change to another cable. One cable for phone and cameras. Okay, alright, it's the same, I get it. You can manually turn on the power here, but it also has auto on and off function. When you turn on your camera, it will turn on. When you turn off your camera, it will turn off. Yeah, DT had it too, but hang on. Røde has it first. Oh, so great. Røde introduced it first 2 years ago with the Pro Plus. Look at that! Now fortunately, there are features unique to this Røde VideoMic NTG, or else it would be embarrassing if it's all the same with another one. Now it has, as I mentioned, it has a new annular tube technology as the professional NTG5, which makes it so much shorter than predecessor, and also, yeah, well, you can see it's a lot different than most other shotgun mic. You will see this slit design, but this is like round holes. Another thing I love Røde VideoMic Pro Plus a lot is the safety channel, and they got it here as well. It records 2 mono signal into left and right channel, but the left channel is 10 dB louder than the right channel. So what I use it with is, especially when I shoot vlog, I don't want to adjust the volume. I don't have time to adjust the volume all the time. Or when you're recording, suddenly everyone's laugh in the room. So suddenly the main channel clip, but then you still got the 10 dB less channel to use. That's really useful. And last, the USB-C port here is not just for charging. This is also for USB audio. When you plug it into your computer, you don't have to do anything. It's just the audio, the USB audio will just work. This is how I record all the voiceover in this video too. While you're doing that, you can also plug in a headphone directly to the mic as monitoring, and then use this dial to control the headphone volume. And this also can play audio from your computer to the mic and then to your headphone. This is basically a headphone amplifier for your computer. That's why Røde say that this is so versatile. You can use it on your camera, you can use it on your phone because it auto-detects, and then you can also use it with your computer. This is great for voiceover, for live streaming, or you can even use it for FaceTime. Seriously, the Røde VideoMic NTG is almost perfect. Maybe the only thing is the internal battery will die one day and you will need to send it back for replacement. It might have taken a lot of ideas from the other one, but they did add their own spin with their own unique features, and it just sounds amazing. Uncolor sound. Without a doubt, this is the best camera top shotgun mic for now. Once again, thank you Surfshark for sponsoring this video. It's easy to use, hide your IP, and just a click you will appear from another country. Use the link in description, surfshark.deals/logcheung to get 83% off for 2 years plan plus 3 months for free.